Today we're gonna meet up with somebody. We're gonna meet up with another YouTuber. Yeah, Doomsday 410. Another V6 guy, another boosted V6 guy. He has a Procharger. Me and him have been talking for a while, and he always been asking me how my setup was. So so me and him have been exchanging information, and he's more about the racetrack stuff though. I'm more about the street stuff. But yeah, so he basically has the same setup I had with my Procharger.
Feels so much different, man. My clutch is like slop, like it's almost all the way out, and that's why I'm kind of, you see me were a little jerky there when I was shifting because I'm not used to how it feels, but it feels damn good, dude. I love the feel of the shifter, though. It feels so much faster.
Yeah, and it feels tighter. It feels like it has you know how the MT-82 is sloppy. It's a sloppy truck.
Oh, yeah. Slush box shifter.
Yeah.
I love this digital dash. It's awesome looking down at that thing.
Yeah, that's one of those that I'm like, man, that costs a lot of money, but damn it, I like it.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
I'm looking at this boost gauge and it's only like hitting 8 or 9. I'm like, my God, when I actually turn this thing on.
Yeah, it's gonna be an animal. I mean, it already is, but if you turn it up, man.
I'm gonna turn it up a little bit. I'm not gonna turn it up too much. Maybe a couple pounds. Maybe 11, 12 pounds, and that's it.
And you get a little backfire here and there,
yeah.
A little pop, but it sounds good.
Yeah.
I actually gotta take mine back. I think it is welding. He missed the spot or something because I'm getting some popping when I hit it real hard. And it didn't happen until I went and got those resonators put on. So
really?
I'm sure that's it. Man, it sounds good. It sounds amazing. Marty can do a lot of things right, but exhaust is at the top of the list, man.
Thanks, man. Yeah, that was something that Auto Mafia threw in there. Auto Mafia threw in there. He's like, I'm gonna throw some pops in there for you.
Yeah. Feels damn good. Feels like a completely different car, man.
You can probably turn around right
here. Yeah. It feels just strong, man. I wish I had a better word to describe it, but just solid and strong. So we gotta bust another U.
Yeah, you can do a U right here.
Right now, you heard it here first. His car is faster than my car.
And you basically are running the same setup I used to run.
Yeah,
right?
Exact same. Guys, you've heard me talk about Marty before, but pretty much everything on my car, you know, he had it first. He told me it was solid, so I put it on my car. So he knows exactly how my car feels. His car is faster. Trust me on that. The torque, you know, when you hit the gas, the car just immediately, it just goes.
Procharger was fun and it was strong too. And if I wish you would have ridden in this car with the Procharger and those tires.
Yeah, yeah.
That was the biggest difference. Where it made the car said, "Holy crap!" When I put those tires on this car.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I think I've done, I don't know, 3 or 4 pulls now. I heard them squeak a little bit one time, but all those other times, man, you know, my foot was through the floor and nothing but traction.
And traction control's off.
Yeah,
we have no traction control on.
I do that in my car with traction control off, guys. You've seen the ass end is all over the place. So these tires, man, they're on my list now. Still got to get some drag tires too, but
you can have these for both, I think.
Yeah,
these are good enough for both, especially if you don't date the car anymore. Yeah, that'd be great.
No, and
awesome, honestly,
man.
They're not terribly priced. I think they're like, I think 270, 280 a piece. Right. I think I paid a little over like 520, 540 for them. It wasn't bad.
I don't remember where we turned.
Right here.
So this
You turn right here.
Nah, man, awesome build, man. Totally impressed. Yeah, I can feel my shifting is a little off. Not too bad. I can't get over this thing though, man. I feel like I'm shifting so much faster.
Oh, that's gonna help.
Yeah.
That's gonna definitely help you.
Those throws in that stock one, man, it feels like
Yeah.
you're shifting for days.
I've had this on here, and this was honestly, it was a pretty easy job. It's definitely a fun car, and I've enjoyed the car a lot, and I'm still gonna enjoy it. The car's only got maybe 50,000 miles on it right now.
Yeah.
So
That's right where mine is. I just hit 50 a couple weeks ago.
So I'm gonna enjoy the car, but I've got to a point where I put so much into this.
Yeah.
I'm like, I'm not letting this car go because I'm never gonna get what I put in it back.
No.
So I'm like, and it's become this car's become almost a part of my family.
Yeah.
I've met so many awesome people because of this car, and I got great friends because of this car. And it's like, something. There's no reason for me to get rid of it. It's paid for. All right, guys. So I made my own little video. So I want to thank Doomsday for coming out. Mike, he came all the way down here from Tennessee, and he was out. We've been trying to get together, like I said, for a while, and we finally was able to. I'm glad he got to see the car, ride the car, drive the car.
Yeah.
And I don't let a lot of people do that, but I figured, heck, he knows how to drive a car. So I'm glad he was able to come out, and I want to thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think.
See you
and
guys.
I want to thank
Thanks
Mike
to
for
Marty,
everything.
man. Appreciate it again. Car's awesome.
All right, thank you.